We'll guide you through how to become a digital creator on Facebook. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Facebook. So you wish to become a digital creator. A digital creator will go and have more different features and options on their Facebook, meaning it makes it easier if you're trying to go and grow a following and a brand on the platform. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and become and then start accessing the different features. Make sure this is full guide so you know what to do step by step. So to go and get started with this, you need to go and head to your Facebook profile. There are different ways you can go about this. On the homepage, you can go to the top where it says what's on your mind and press your profile icon to the left to get here. Alternatively, what you can do is go and press the profile button in the bottom right, and some devices will be the top right, and that should bring you here. Previously, that button would have brought you to the menu. So if you're on the menu, you just go and tap your name at the top and that'll bring you here. Then what you need to do is go to the top right of the page and you'll go and see an edit icon, 3 dots and a magnifying glass, which is search, but press the 3 dots to open up your profile settings. On profile settings, you need to go down and find the option, turn on professional mode, like so. Then what you can do is go and press turn on. You can go and see what's going to go and change here. Go and wait. Then we can press next again. Choose your default audience. I'll select public and press next. Review this here, edit if needed, and press confirm if you're ready. You can then go and see the different monetization tools here. And what you want to do is you want to go and press next at the bottom. Read this through to go and understand the new tools and press next. You can then go and see the profile frame. I'll press skip for now. Then we can press go to professional dashboard. We're now a digital creator. If you press profile in the bottom right and refresh, it'll go and say digital creator there.